Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best drone backpacks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. PolarPro Backpack DroneTrekker Case. This is a high-quality backpack that will serve you for a long time. It has a big space to carry the drone together with the camera, remote control, and water bottles. On top of that, with its TSA-approved lock, it ensures to provide top security, making it ideal for airports. The interior walls on this backpack can be removed for it to accommodate any type of drone. This DroneTrekker has a compact design and you can be able to carry it around to any place without getting tired. Furthermore, the drone has oversized padding found in the shoulder straps that assist to support the drone weight together with several batteries. At number 4. Smatree Phantom 4 Backpack Styrofoam Case. This carrying case is particularly designed to store styrofoam case, which usually comes with DJI comes with. The bag has a customizable space that you can also keep your propellers, remote control, and tablets. In addition to that, the bag is created with high-quality tear-resistant polyester that will ensure more safety to your drone. The Smatree Phantom backpack is ideal for outdoor vacations. It features foam interior that you can attach batteries on the top. The main compartment can be used to carry the drone, while other interior spaces can be used to carry mobile devices and tablets. At number 3. Ape Case WaterResistant Aspro. If you're a photographer and you are having plenty of accessories to carry, it's time to get yourself this Ape Case carrying case. It is going to help you to carry Phantom drone, and it will also accommodate tablets and laptops and other items that you require during photography. One of the most important features with this bag is that it does not look like carrying case for drone, and no one will notice that you are carrying a drone. The bag is not bulky, hence you will not feel tired when traveling for long distances. In addition to that, the interior part of this bag is usually divided into small compartments that will aid you to consolidate your accessories very easily. At number 2. Lowepro DroneGuard BP 450. Do not be stressed over when searching for the best drone, because the Lowepro Quadcopter is ideal for you. It is a beautifully designed bag with a modern look and can fit wide variety of drones that have various sizes and shapes, since the dividers and compartments can be moved in order to create more space for your drone. In addition to that, the carry case will comfortably secure your drone and is deployed with patented all-weather cover that is waterproof, providing protection to your drone. In addition to that, it has a top zippered pocket utilized to store headphones and sunglasses. At number 1. Manfrotto OMBBP D1 DJI Equipment Cases. The Manfrotto backpack is made with a big compartment to store your DJI drone and have an abundant storage space to store all your equipments. In addition to that, the materials that are used to construct the backpack are of high quality, hence making the bag to withstand even in harshest weather conditions. It is also lightweight and can be carried with ease. These backpacks have battery pouches and big storage space for all your accessories. It features 3 removable zipper pouches as well as rack-like compartment. Furthermore, it has a compact size and it is ideal whenever you are going climbing or hiking with your drone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.